Today I want to discuss about one business opportunity, that is cleaning chemicals. My name is Ganesh. I am having a website www.seyourneeds.in. In that website also I put the same details, cleaning chemicals details. You can see in the YouTube under description also. In the description I provide the link. While clicking on the link directly, you can see the web page also. Even though cleaning chemicals YouTube is there, means it is easy to understand, so that I am providing this YouTube video. What is cleaning chemicals? Cleaning chemicals are used in the cleaning industry. They are useful for washing utensils, hard surfaces, cloths and toilets. The chemical could be liquid, soap or a powdery substance. You need to choose a specific type of product and formulate. Knowledge of cleaning chemical manufacturing is essential. The type of equipment, chemicals and solutions depends on the chemical you want to produce. What chemicals are in cleaning? Common cleaning agents. Water, the most common cleaning agent, which is a very powerful polar solvent. Soap or detergent, ammonia solution, and calcium hypochlorite, that is powdered bleach. Citric acid, sodium hydrochloride, that is liquid bleach. Sodium hydrochloride, that is lye, and acetic acid, that is vinegar. These are the chemicals are in cleaning. And what are the four categories of cleaning agents? There are four main types of cleaning agents used in commercial kitchens: detergents, degreasers, abrasives and acids. What is the safest cleaning product? 6 cleaning products that are safe to use throughout the house. Honest Essentials bundle. Give your peace of mind by cleaning your entire home with gentle products from the Honest Co. Real Simple Clean Lavender Dish Soap, Mrs. and Aunt Fanny's Cleaning Vinegar Wipes, Better Life All Purpose Cleaner, Purell Multi-Surface Disinfectant Spray. What is the best homemade cleaning solution? Homemade all-purpose cleaner, 3/4 cup hydrogen peroxide, half cup distilled white vinegar, 1 teaspoon unscented liquid castile soap, 10 drops of tea tree oil, and 20 drops lavender essential oil, 2 cups water. What household cleaning products can kill you? Bleach and alumina is a toxic chloramine vapor. Bleach and alumina are 2 common household cleaners that should never be mixed. Bleach and rubbing alcohol is equivalent to toxic chloroform. Bleach and vinegar is equivalent to toxic chlorine gas. Vinegar and peroxide is equivalent to peracetic acid. Peroxide and henna hair dye is equal to hair nightmare. So I am also preparing the notes to explain you the details, so you can understand it easily. What is the most dangerous household chemicals? 5 most dangerous household chemicals. Ammonia. Ammonia fumes are a powerful irritant, potentially harming your skin, eyes, nose, lungs and throat. Bleach, another useful but dangerous cleaner. Bleach also has strong corrosive properties that can do serious damage to the human body. Anti-freeze, drain cleaners, anti-fresheners, air fresheners. What are the examples of cleaning materials? There are basic specialized cleaning products which should be in your cleaning cupboard, as they are likely to solve most of your cleaning issues. Bleach, toilet cleaner, bathroom cleaner, antibacterial cleaner, window cleaner, floor cleaner, laundry detergent, fabric softener. Which of these is the most powerful cleaner? acids. Acid cleaners are the most powerful type of cleaning agent and should be used with care. If they are not diluted correctly, acid cleaners can be very poisonous and corrosive. What is the best natural disinfectant? Natural disinfectants are alcohol, borax, citric acid, steam cleaner, hydrogen peroxide, honorable mention, thymol, thyme oil. What is the best natural bathroom cleaner? If not, there are other natural options that work great too. A 50-50 vinegar water solution will clean tile, counters, cabinet fronts and soap scums in the shower. A baking soda and water paste will clean stuck on gunk on the shower and tub. Use vinegar instead of water for really tough stains. How do you make homemade antibacterial cleaner? For an antibacterial cleaner, mix together 3 cups of water, half cup of white vinegar and 10 to 15 drops of lavender or tea tree essential oil in a glass spray bottle. Shake to mix, store with the lid on and use on cutting boards, countertops or anywhere that needs a good germ killing. What is the best kitchen cleaning product? Clorox cleaning up disinfectant bleach cleaner. I am saying about best kitchen cleaning products. Lysol antibacterial kitchen cleaner and Fabulous multi-use cleaner, CVS cleaner and 7th generation natural glass and surface cleaner, SOS steel wool soap pads, SOS clean toss small NTOS clean NTOS small size pads and then coming to the another paragraph, that is what cleaning products do professional cleaners use. 8 cleaning products that professionals swear by: all purpose cleaner, microfiber cloths, white vinegar, baking soda, tub and tile cleaner, glass and surface cleaner, versatile vacuum and rubber gloves. These are the cleaning products professional cleaners use. This is the information regarding cleaning chemicals. In every kitchen and in restaurants and hotels also, these cleaning essentials are most important for cleaning in their kitchen. So you can use this. And one thing I will say, that in every business you should maintain a common natural scale, that is 70% is the working cost and 30% you should maintain the margin. Then you will be successful in the long run. And as well as try to maintain business with good dealers, distributors and all this. Beginningly you start in the small scale in the street business. Like for the time being you can increase it to the dealers, you can increase your dealers, and then if it is district wise increasing your business means, then you can depend on distributors. Likewise you can expand your business, and as well as take trade licenses and all these. If you take it, it is useful to you, and your business will run in the long run without any disturbances. So this is I am saying. So try to be sincere and very clear regarding your business. And if you want to start independently regarding cleaning chemicals means, first you should have a MS Word document. If document is correct, and you should have the documentation also, step 1 and step 2, step 3 likewise it should be there. What is the area you should take, and what are the raw materials you should have, what is the machinery you should have, and where you should get the raw materials, and processing will be done in which way, and what are the qualified persons in which location it is required, and all these things you should have an idea. So please maintain a document. Once a document is completed, if you want to start the manufacturing of cleaning chemicals, you should not think and research again and again. Go through the document and do according to that. Then you will not have any mental stress, and every step, if you are going to research, means when you will be completed your project, so that will become a problem to you. So be careful and be successful. Wishing you all the best.